Welcome back Tech World, it's Craig from MobileTechTalk and we're back with another unboxing today, the RecovaPro Lite. Now this won the Red Dot Awards for innovation due to the compact and powerful design of the RecovaPro Lite. So what does it actually do? We're going to get into the unboxing in a minute, very quickly, but let's just give an overview of what this product does. If you've got arthritis, if you have a persistent injury, a muscular injury, if you are an athlete and you want to perform tip-top shape all the time after your gym sessions, you want to recover a little bit faster, all of those areas, the RecovaPro Lite is going to help. It has been tested by athletes and fitness professionals, so it is certified for use on those sort of muscular bodies. I don't have one of those, but the reason I'm reviewing this is because I do have a persistent knee injury. I have a very short right muscle on my quads and on my calf. So going back to the gym has started to aggravate that a little bit. So this is actually going to help. I think the other thing this would help on is, again, most people in the UK have been in lockdown for a period of time. They've probably been sitting around a lot more than they usually do. So if you are like that, like me, then maybe this will help stimulate some of your muscles as well. So let's go ahead, open this up, see what it looks like, and we'll have this review for the next couple of weeks for Mobile Tech Talk. So leave a like and subscribe if you do like this video at the end for more videos like this. Let's get into the unboxing. Right, let's get into this box then, shall we? So, it's quite heavy. It's only 700 grams, but I'm used to unboxing mobile phones, which are 200 grams. You get a lovely RecovaPro emblazoned carry case here. I'm sure that you would carry this around if you were that way inclined. And for instance, if you're like an athlete or fitness professional, you spend a lot of time at the gym, it'd be worth maybe taking this in your gym bag and straight after your gym session, hitting those areas that are causing you problems. So let's just open this up, see what we get inside. Oh, right, okay. Let's start with the instructions, shall we? Where everybody should start. Recover like a pro, hence the name. Ooh. We have stickers. We like a few stickers. We've got some RecovaPro stickers and obviously their logo. Put those over there. We have the instructions in multi-language showing how you use the little power button with the 5 different speed modes on there and the different attachments that come with it. We'll go through that in a minute. There's an app for you to sync with, so it gives you up-to-date news and you can monitor your progress, which is quite handy. Shows you how to do that. It's available for Google and iOS, Android and iOS I should say. You have 24/7 support, which you should do. This is a premium product. It's for professionals. It's for fitness professionals. It's for people that have muscular issues. This is going to be handy. RecovaCare. Very nice to have that included. Interesting. So here you also have a little bit of a guide as to how you're supposed to use these different connections. So the product itself, you can fit a number of different attachments to it. You've obviously got a fork, which it's saying is for the neck and the spine. You've got a flat side, which is good for larger muscles like your quads, so I'll be using that one. You've got a bullet for really targeted. I probably won't use that. I think that might hurt me a little bit. But for things like your hips and your buttocks, your glutes, I think you'd have to have some serious muscle in those areas where I don't. I have the opposite of muscle in those areas. And you've obviously got a ball as well, which is for sort of sore muscle, so for the recovery side of things rather than stimulation. Very interesting, and a little bit of paraphernalia as to the other bits and pieces that you can get. So you can get a ball, you can get a mat. And then just a little bit of a quick start guide as well, so you don't have to actually read all the way through it. Press the button, put the attachment in, put it on the area that you want to work out or recover, and away you go. And you just press the button a couple more times for the different speed modes. So let's have a look at the product itself. Oh, that feels lovely. It's a matte black finish. It's a aluminium construction, which is why it's only 700 grams. Let's see if it's got any power in this baby. Yes, it has. So it powers on. It's got 4 bars of power. And then I think, let's just get an attachment in there. Am I doing it right? We'll find out. We don't need the instructions, do we? There you go. Press and hold it for a minute. And there you go. That's on the lowest speed. I don't know what the different speeds are. There's 5 speed modes, and it's obviously going to control the pressure by which that you're starting to motivate those particular muscles. Let's go up through the speeds. So that's the highest speed. Interestingly, as you press down, it alters the force. So you can hear that the motor's running at a steady pace here. Let's just press it down. So it alters itself so as not to burn out the motor as well, which is very good. What else do you get in here? Let's just pull that off. You get the different attachments here, as I said. You get different charging. I'll be using that one, the 3-pin charger for the UK. But you also get a US and an EU. And I think maybe an Asian. You have a proprietary wall wart. But these are sort of magnetic ends, so that's handy. And that's about it. No, sorry. You do get a charging mat as well. So the idea is that I don't know what you're supposed to do with this actually. I suppose that you just put these in here when you're not using them, and you leave it on here when to charge, just to make sure that nothing else heats up. So this has just been a quick unboxing of the RecovaPro Lite, and I'm going to be using this just to kind of see if I can motivate or start to improve the fitness of my quads and my calf muscle as I start to go back to the gym. As I say, this has been tested with athletes. It's been tested on people with arthritis. It's been engineered to within an inch of its life, which is why it's had the Red Dot Award in 2020. It has a lithium-ion battery and obviously a charger for that. And then obviously these different ball attachments. So it says here that from level 1 is a 1500 by 25 percussions per second. Level 5 is 2800 by 47 percussions per second, which is pretty speedy. 180-minute battery here, so you're going to get 3 hours worth of battery life out of a single charge, which is handy. As I say, I've turned this on and it's got maximum battery immediately, and it has a 50-pound force by which it's kind of hitting your muscle. Obviously, you can change the speed at which it does that, which in turn will kind of alter the feel of how hard it's kind of sort of massaging your muscles. So yeah, 700 grams or 1.5 pounds. This is definitely portable. Maybe I wouldn't carry it around in this case. I'd probably charge it and take the particular attachment I wanted with me wherever I was going, especially when I start traveling again. So yeah, looks like it's going to be a really good product. £139 currently from the RecovaPro website. So there'll be links in the description for you to go and purchase this, and lots more information on their website. They've got a couple of other products as well. They've really done their research, so go and check them out. Thanks very much for watching this quick unboxing. Not that quick actually, we're moving into 7 minutes. But there'll be a full review on the MobileTechTalk website within a week or two. Plenty more unboxings coming, plenty more videos coming. So like and subscribe if you liked this one, and we'll see you on the next video very soon. Stay safe.